Hi guys. Real quickly, I'm going to walk you through how to submit an assignment directly to me on Canvas in case you have never done that before. So first you have to open the assignment link from the Canvas calendar, as you can see here on the screen. Today's assignment is Mural Written Comprehension Assignment. So you're going to click on that. And then you'll click on the large title at the top to open the entire assignment, not just the document. You can see when it opens the assignment, the document is still here, and you'll need to open that document, type directly into it. The instructions say when you are finished typing in the document, typing your answers, then you need to save a copy first. And once you've saved that copy and closed it, then you can submit it on Canvas. So we're still here on this page. You are going to hit the blue Submit Assignment button. And then it asks you to choose a file. So make sure you save your document somewhere where you can remember where that file is. So I'm going to choose a file, just like this. And then, so I highlight it and then I click Open. And there's my file, the title of my file, and then I hit Submit Assignment. And it says submitting. And then you can see over here on the right hand side of the screen, it says your submission is turned in. So that's how you know that everything is completed. Pretty simple. If you need any help, you can ask the sub or ask a friend, and hopefully they'll be able to help you through any struggles that you're having. Other than that, have a great day and be good for the substitute.